Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you some quick cleaning motivation and tackling my couch. And this is another Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home. This is an open collab, so if you want to join in, you can definitely reach out to Sunday Dawn and join us and bring us some cleaning motivation. So there will be a playlist down below in the description box if you want to check out the playlist, get more cleaning motivation, and tackle your tiny tidies around your home with us as well. I am just cleaning the windows in my home before I tackle the project of the couch and doing some deep cleaning. Okay, I need to definitely vacuum my couch, but I'm going to use this steamer and just clean the couch and get some of these like stains off and just like the back, because these cushions, you can't take off the covers and clean them, and it has been a while, and I've wiped them down with like normal cleaner and disinfectant and stuff. But I want to go ahead and use this new gadget that we got and just give it a good deep clean. These ones is like an extra cover, and then we can put this in to the wash as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this. And then I'm gonna vacuum the couch as well. all done, and it was definitely needing a clean. It is super, super dirty. Not as bad as I thought it would be, but definitely got off some dirt from the pillows and the couch. Now I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the couch. So as we finish up this video, don't forget to check out the playlist down below in the description box. You're going to get more cleaning motivation, tips and tricks along the way to help you tackle your cleaning, big or small, this week. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me here on my channel. Here on my channel, I share cleaning motivation, homeschool, home decor, motherhood, homemaking. So if any of those topics interest you, definitely hit the subscribe button and join us here, and do the same for the tiny tidy playlist if you like what you're seeing. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.